Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical charcoal grills for BBQ, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from. Charcoal grills for BBQ, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. At Charcoal Grills, charcoal grilling for BBQ, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best charcoal grills for BBQ from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Royal Gourmet 24-inch Charcoal Grill BBQ with Foldable Side Table. Discover the Royal Gourmet 24-inch Charcoal Grill BBQ with Foldable Side Table, the ultimate grilling companion for BBQ enthusiasts. This durable black charcoal grill offers a spacious cooking area with 490 square inches of total space, including porcelain-enameled steel wire cooking grates and a stainless steel warming rack. The built-in thermometer and height-adjustable charcoal pan ensure precise heat control for perfectly grilled meals every time. The foldable side table provides extra prep space for your seasonings and tools, while the bottom shelf offers additional storage. Enjoy the convenience of the front charcoal door for easy access and minimal heat loss. And use the adjustable air damper to optimize air circulation for efficient charcoal burning. Ideal for backyard barbecues or family gatherings, the Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill combines functionality with style for an exceptional grilling experience. Number 2. Captiva designs extra-large charcoal BBQ grill with oversize cooking area. Upgrade your BBQ game with the Captiva Designs extra-large charcoal BBQ grill. With an impressive 800 square inch of cooking space, including a 500 square inch primary grilling area and a 289 square inch stainless steel warming rack, this grill is perfect for both big parties and small gatherings. The two liftable charcoal trays offer separate control, allowing you to adjust the heat for versatile cooking. And, equipped with two foldable side tables, this grill provides ample space for your BBQ tools, dishes, and condiments. The tables also serve as handles for easy transport, and when folded, make storage a breeze. The durable enamel grilling racks and chrome-plated warming rack are resistant to high temperatures and easy to clean, with built-in features like a thermometer, tool holder, adjustable air vent, and storage rack. The Captiva Designs Charcoal BBQ Grill combines functionality and style for an exceptional grilling experience. Enjoy professional customer service and peace of mind with your purchase. Number 3. Generic Charcoal Grill Outdoor BBQ Grill Extra Large Cooking Area. Experience the ultimate BBQ with the Generic Charcoal Grill Outdoor BBQ Grill. Featuring an expansive 749 square inch cooking surface, including 477 square inch porcelain enameled steel wire cooking grates and a 272 square inch chrome-plated warming rack, this grill is perfect for hosting large gatherings of 10 to 15 people. The unique design includes two liftable charcoal trays, allowing you to control the temperature on each side independently for perfectly cooked food every time. With 4 wheels, including 2 high-quality plastic and 2 universal wheels, moving this grill is effortless. Made from high-quality steel with a high-temperature powder-coated surface, this grill is built to last. Convenient front-access charcoal doors and cooling handles make adding charcoal a breeze without disturbing your cooking. The package includes a waterproof grill cover to keep your BBQ in top condition, and our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you with any questions. Enjoy hassle-free grilling with the Generic Charcoal Grill. Number 4. Boldworks Park Grill Park Style Charcoal Grill In-Ground Outdoor Cooking. Enhance your outdoor cooking experience with the Boldwoods Park Grill Park Style Charcoal Grill. In-Ground Outdoor Cooking. Crafted from heat-resultant, powder-coated, heavy-duty steel, this grill meets stringent FDA norms and resists rust, ensuring long-lasting durability. With a spacious 256 square inch grilling surface and a height-adjustable grate with 4 levels, you can achieve the perfect cooking temperature for any meal. Its 360-degree rotation feature provides precise draft control, protecting you from smoke blowing in your face, making it ideal for BBQs and camping trips. The grill's spring handles offer heat protection while moving the grate, ensuring safety and comfort during cooking. Plus, the tilt-away grate design makes cleaning effortless, so you can spend more time enjoying your food and less time on cleanup. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, this park-style charcoal grill is your go-to for delicious meals in any outdoor setting. Get ready to impress with Boldworks. Number 5. Vfy Charcoal BBQ Grill Combo with Enameled Cast Iron Cooking Grids. Upgrade your outdoor cooking game with the Vfy Charcoal BBQ Grill Combo with Enameled Cast Iron Cooking Grids. This versatile grill offers the best of both worlds, with dual fuel options, allowing you to switch between gas and charcoal for a variety of grilling experiences. Featuring 660 square inches of total cooking space, including a 499 square inch primary cooking area and a 161 square inch stainless steel warming rack, this grill is perfect for large gatherings. The enameled cast iron grates provide even heating and excellent heat retention, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Designed for convenience, the grill includes a push-out ash tray for easy cleaning, a grease tray for hassle-free disposal, and a side table with hooks for your grilling tools. With a built-in thermometer, automatic ignition, and storage space for utensils and propane tanks, this heavy-duty grill combines functionality with style. Make your BBQ moments unforgettable with Vfy. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.